tired of hot beaches and endless crowds of people during the summer months? If your answer is yes, then this river resort is for you. Nestled in the foothills of Mount Banahaw is a kilometer-long, natural, cool spring water that runs through the forest of Laguna. Liliw Resort is located at Barangay Canluran Bukal, Liliw, Laguna, and is a 2.5-hour car ride from Manila. The resort has a very cheap entrance fee of less than $1 or 50 pesos. Children are free as long as they are accompanied by an adult. It also has a very spacious parking space with an affordable rate as well. It can fit cars of different sizes and motorcycles as well. After taking a short and scenic walk from the entrance of the resort, the sight of the river water will welcome you and your family. The river water here is so cold. It's like you've been plunged in a freezer as soon as you dip your toes in the water. There's a lot of benefits in swimming in cold water. It can improve your immune system, blood circulation in your body, and your overall cardiovascular system. Your body will also produce endorphins and will give you a natural high. You can reserve picnic huts of different sizes that are just beside the river, especially if you are only in the resort for a day trip. These picnic huts come in different shapes and sizes. Outdoor sinks and barbecue areas are positioned near these picnic huts. If you are in need of a more private space for you and your family, the resort offers several cottages that comes in different sizes. The cottages are made from natural bamboo and have been built for more than 3 decades inside the resort. We stayed in a 2-bedroom and 1 toilet and bath cottage that can sleep up to 6 persons. It is spacious inside and you can still fit in a few more people as long as you let the resort personnel know about it. The cottage has a big table that can fit to more than 10 people and has a working kitchen with a sink. There's also a working toilet and bath inside the cottage. Take note though that there isn't a hot shower inside. They use the natural spring water from the river here as their water supply. There's a lot more different cottages inside the resort. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to take some footage inside some of them as there were already some guests inside. Let's start with the 1-bedroom and 1 toilet and bath cottages. First is the House of the Rising Sun that is perfect for small family or couples. Beside this cottage is the Sunshine Hut. Both of these cottages are just beside the river, so you can hear the rushing water all day out. They also have these duplex units that has 1 bedroom and toilet and bath inside. These 2 duplexes are located a bit farther away from the first 2 cottages, but it's not really a problem for anybody as you can just walk to the river. If you have a larger size of company with you, there's bigger cottages for you. Cameo Cottage and Duplex D has 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath and a veranda available for you. Rose Cottage, which I presented earlier, is the second cottage here that has a 2-bedroom and 1 toilet and bath. Waling Waling, which is located a bit farther compared to the other cottages, also has 2 bedrooms. The biggest cottage in the resort is the Sampaguita Cottage that has 5 bedrooms. Fully booked when you get to the resort? No worries. You can also pitch a tent in the lawn and use the public bath in the resort. After spending some time and getting gently swept away by the river, you can bet that you are getting hungry by the minute. Barbecue areas are scattered all around the resort and you can use any of these. Bring your own charcoal and grill some fish and meat for your lunch or dinner. You can bring as much as you like. Look at that sizzle on the pork chop. Makes you very hungry by the minute. Liliw Resort is a cheap and affordable destination for people who desire to escape the hot and humid temperature of our country. You certainly won't regret spending your time here with your family. You can also spend time in the town proper of Liliw and buy some of the local slippers or chinelas that the town of Liliw is known for. Thank you for watching this video. please like and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my other videos by clicking on the videos on your screen. Until next time!